EverBrite headlamp here. This is fully adjustable, so you can adjust the beam down. USB-C charging, it comes with a USB-C cable, of course. Has a feature I've never seen in a headlamp before. It has a SOS whistle. I won't blow that so you don't hear it, but it also has a beacon on the back. So you can click this little button here, and this is off the back of you, and it'll emit a red light off the back. You can also have it blinking as well. So that'd probably be good if you're maybe riding a bike or something like that, or on a trail. As well as that, it has, obviously you can wear it, has 7 different modes. So the button features are very simple. I like EverBrite. They make their buttons easy. So on the one side, I have my different colors, right? So I go from green, red, and then I have my white color. So I can basically just go through the different levels, right? All the way to the blinking. Blinking ones are never my favorite, but what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna see what this looks like in the dark, okay? So it's pretty easy to use. You have your 2 buttons on the top. One is for colors, red and green. The other one is to go through all your whites. All right, so we'll look at that American flag over there. It's pretty dark, and we'll turn this on. So yeah, extremely bright. You have 2 different white modes. You have one that's a spotlight and one that's a flood. So if you look here, that's obviously a flood, right? You're flooding the area with light. Then you have more of a spotlight, right? And then we'll go through the different colors. So this is pretty cool. This is like Navy SEAL green and Navy SEAL red, I guess. I don't know, pretty neat. Maybe if you're out there using a firearm or something like that, pretty neat. But yeah, I really like the simplicity of just the 2 buttons on the top. One's for cycling through white and another one is cycling through the colors. It has a whistle and it also has that rear beacon, which is really neat. What are they going to think of next? EverBrite, a lot of innovative headlamps out there. I would say you check them out.